Hey guys, I'm Hustle with WTI and I love doing my nails, but in order for me to do my nails and feel comfortable while doing it, I need quality products. And that's why these mini nail files from ANRUI that comes with 20 pieces of professional nail files that have 100 grit on one side and 180 on the other side. These are great, especially when I'm about to do my gel, because it helps me file my nails so that I can get some polish off in order for the gel to stick well. This one's coming blue, and I use the 100 grit basically for hard nails or toenails, and the 180 basically to modify the edge of the nail or if I want another shape. They are totally reusable and washable, and since they're compact size files, that's great because I can take them anywhere with me, even if I have a very small purse. They also have a sponge like padding in the middle, which makes it more comfortable to hold. I just find this really convenient, especially when I'm doing my nails and I'm not at home, or if I have an emergency and I have to quickly file my nails outside. So it really is a very useful product for me. I love these nail files, and that's my point of view.